Look at the difference in brightness from here to here. Stay tuned. What's happening, fam? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's doing well. So got a quick install for you. I'll actually link videos up on the top right hand corner of the screen from the previous install I did, but these are pretty easy. I'm doing it on my wife's car. It's a 2019 Kia Sedona. It's for her headlights. Now this company Oxilam reached out to me. I've seen their products on Amazon before, never tried them, but it actually ended up being that I needed some headlight bulbs because one of the chipsets on her current bulb pretty much died on this side. Notice how this side is bright down here, and then up here it's dim. This is one of the new bulbs I put in. This thing is freaking bright, man. So these new Oxilam headlight bulbs, it's the M5 S series. Now H7s are a little bit complicated. They have prongs on them, and like say you can get really bright ones, but then they're gonna have to have like a ballast hooked up to it. The only problem is with that setup, putting them into the housing and getting adapted for them to fit properly, it can be a pain in the ass. And sometimes like she has this cap housing here, it wouldn't fit, so it starts becoming like a pain in the ass when you have to try to see how things can fit and how they can mate up to the stock headlight, if you get what I'm saying. So this company, they actually have a couple of H7s, and this is the brightest one that they carry. It's the M5S. These bulbs, they last about 50,000 hours, 6500K nice white light, and these are about 20,000 lumens a piece, built-in fan, the whole nine. So it's a pretty much plug and play connection, if you get what I'm saying. I know it's a little bright and my eyes are hurting me now, but it's pretty much plug and play. I just wanted to show you the brightness. Now look at this. After a little bit, now this is the dim one up here, and the headlight actually shut off underneath. So it's like, I guess it's been giving a problem, because the other day she actually told me about a couple weeks ago that her headlight looked like it shut off and then it came back on. So these bulbs were on their way out, but either way, it's a good thing that Oxilam sent me these new bulbs. And let me just shut the lights off so the housing can cool off, and I'll show you. It's a very pretty easy install. You really can't go wrong with it, and meaning you really can't get it wrong, so to speak. But it's very simple. So let's proceed. All right, guys, so I zoomed in. This is still kind of hot, but it's very simple, easy plug and play. Just wiggle this bad boy out. Damn, this shit is hot. Yeah, but these bulbs are pretty much on their way out, and I actually saw it myself. She actually recorded it showing one of the chipsets just going out, and then she actually thought she was seeing things, because then what ended up happening was it turned back on. So now in here, I don't know if you could see it, I zoomed in, but there's dielectric grease in here from the last time, so I don't need to put any. That actually helps wick any type of moisture out of the connection points, which is a good thing. And when you put this in, guys, there's a little space to the top up here. This prong right here goes into that space. It's a very easy plug and play bulb. It's yep, just like that. Now once you plug it in, I'm gonna turn it on real quick so you can see it. Obviously you make sure it works. Nice and freaking bright. Yep, that's bright. 20,000 lumens per bulb. Freaking awesome. So both sides work. Now once you, very simple, just put it back inside the housing. And once you put it back in, just give it a little turn. And you'll hear a click, and you'll feel it, and that's it. Then you put the cap back on. Bam. That's it. So I'm gonna show you this one too. Now they give you a little manual with this. Let me very simple, 2 fingers. There you go. Click, and that's it. Put the cap on. That's it. Let's turn. All right, so the lights are on, and it's definitely pretty damn bright. Doesn't look like there's any dark spots or anything in the light. As I said before, guys, 50,000 hours, built-in cooling fan, 20,000 lumens per bulb, 40,000 per pair. This is really nice. This is the M5S series from Oxilam. As I told you before, they have a little manual showing you how to put the bulbs in and stuff like that. These are the old ones. These are going right in the garbage. But these will definitely be good, especially driving at night. So guys, definitely like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you think. Oxilam, thank you so much. And the next clip is going to be showing you how it looks at night. Talk to you soon. All right, guys, we're back at night. So once I unlock the car, we should be able to see a nice spread of light. Yep. It's pretty damn good. No spots. Actually, it's a nice stretch. All right, let's go for a ride real quick. All right, guys, so we're back, just taking a quick drive. And as I said, I like the spread of this light, or these light bulbs. There's no dark spots whatsoever. And right now the weather, it's kind of foggy right now, so obviously you definitely don't want to be using your high beams, but it's pretty good coverage. Look at that. So it's not bad at all. I think 20,000 lumens per bulb is actually pretty good, and so far these are the best bulbs, or the best low beams that I've had for this particular car. Let's make a quick U-turn. Yeah, it's pretty good. It's pretty good. Guys, definitely like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you think. Oxilam, thank you so much for sending me these, guys. I will link these in the description. You can find these, you can pick these up on Amazon. As I said, these bulbs are really good, man. Like, check this out. It's really good. And obviously it's foggy, you don't want to turn on the freaking high beams, because, you know what I mean, it's pretty bad. But anyway, guys, again, like, subscribe, comment, let me know what you think. Oxilam, thank you so much for these bulbs. They're really nice. I appreciate them, and my wife will too. So guys, I will talk to you soon. Take it easy.